Hey YouTube, real upset I couldn't go skating tonight, so I decided to wash my hair and um put this Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner in my hair so you guys can see how that does on my hair, whatever. So I just washed it. I don't know if you can see my curls really, cause like my hair is a little bit dry, like my perm ends, they're still wet or whatever. But find a good curl. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? You really can't see, it's kind of frizzy or whatever, but spray some more water in my hair and put this conditioner in. Let me put a towel over because I do not want my PJs getting wet. Not at all. Hear me rocking in the background, so 100.3 to be tripping. Alright. Alright. So you guys might think it's better for me to put the conditioner in my hair, like part my hair in sections or whatever. Let me see if you could. Still can't get it real damn. Well, it's some in here, it's floating around, trust me. So put this in my hair. You see how it comes out like thickish, whatever. Ugh, smells like a perm, but it does good in my hair though. It really does. It feels so good when I wash my hair. Oh my gosh, like my pores just open up. Feels lovely. Whoever don't like washing their hair got a problem. Maybe it would have been better if I poured in my hair, but you know what? Whatever. Try it next time. Ooh, you see my curls? Can you see them? Not really, but love this stuff. It just smells like a perm. It drives me crazy. Oh yeah, this is my first video since I got my ends trimmed. So my hair is shorter than the usual. I didn't get my perm ends cut. I just got my ends trimmed or whatever. And that day I rocked it as a fro to the football game. I should have showed you guys. It was cute. But Wednesday I'm gonna get brave enough to just cut it. Alright, I think that's enough conditioner in my hair. I use the whole bottle. This bottle is like so tiny. And it costs $4.99. I was like, $4.99, okay. But I've seen a lot of reviews on it, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And I got the shampoo too. So I like it a lot. The middle was a little dry. So what do you guys suggest? Do I just let it air dry or what? Oh, you see them? I'm just gonna use a little bit more. I'm tempted. See my little girl? Ooh. I get so excited when I see my curls, like, yay, I get motivated to keep sticking with my process, keep following through. I was so wanting to give up, like, I understand. Alright, well, That's how it takes in my hair. It's a little white. Maybe I just put way too much. But like, what am I supposed to do? Like, let it air dry? I think I will, unless someone responds to this video sooner. Yeah. So have a nice night, guys. Hope you're out partying, enjoying your life. I got work in the morning, so I might put some twists in my hair or something because the ponytails is not working anymore. All right, deuces.